Guys, today is Saturday. Yeah, we are going to the beach, Sanya Beach. See, it's one of the best beaches in Nigeria, the Gambia. Me and colleagues, we are going to the beach. Yeah, everyone is waiting for me. Oh, look at us.
You forget.
The meetup will be me.
When you go, you break just for.
So yeah, I'm saying.
Look at this, just like we should carry it like that. It's not fine.
Neighbor.
I like your vest.
Thank you. Are you an Arsenal fan?
Arsenal fan, yeah.
Oh, okay.
The best soccer team.
Oh, yeah, obviously.
I'm trying to stop it on the sides. When they are okay. You won't do a lot, but then this is okay.
Well, guys, let's get going now.
Yeah. We'll charge the girls extra.
Well, I think.
Guys, we have arrived at Sanya Beach. Wow, it's a beautiful beach. Sun is so hot. Wow, the place is nice.
You can even play ball here.
Yeah.
I think I just carried this day.
Yes, well, we are discussing. Gambia is really beautiful. No wonder this place is called the Smiling Coast of Africa.
Table, man. You faggots get your if you don't have money, now come to the poker table, man. So continue. I'm fresher than the motherfucker. Play. Guy. Oh, this way.
We have a beautiful day at the beach, and now we are about to leave. It was a day very well spent.